Yeah, so I used to live in holy Atlantwise, Georgia, right outside actually Marietta, and there used to be a kind of like backwoods haunted Cracker Barrel type restaurant called Vittles. We would take our friends in there sometimes. The waitresses was all openly on the crystal meth. They would stare at you, having teeth popping out while they're talking to you. Haunted Christian signs about fishing on the walls and shit like that. One time I brought some psychedelic touring Italian noise rockers to come through to Vittles. We brought them into the restaurant. When we got in there, we sat down at the table. These Italian noise rockers, it was their first time being up in the U.S. The waitress came up, she said, "What do you have?" The dude with the dreads, the psychedelic Italian noise rocker, he goes, "A pancake with fruit." She says, "What? A pancake with fruit? The fuck is he saying?" I said, "Pancakes with fruit. Strawberries or cherries?" He said, "Cherries." She gave the motherfucker strawberries. That place was psychedelic, Vittles. My man Extra Cornbread Steve, he got his name up in the spot. He went up in, he got the 3 vegetable plate. You don't do that up in this haunted place. He said, "And please, extra cornbread." She just goes, "Ha ha! Extra cornbread! Ha ha! Oh, we'll give you some extra cornbread." The amount of cornbread they brought out, everybody in here couldn't even begin to touch a 1/5 of the fucking cornbread. He probably ate half of 1 piece. That's how he got the name Extra Cornbread Steve. I live now in holy Athens, Georgia. In North Georgia, there's all kinds of mystical mountains. There's one called Big Frog Mountain. I wrote this song about it. It calls my soul from its sleep. It wakes me up in the morning time with my thoughts on those hills. I'm feeling just fine. Well, I've been saved by that holy hill. I've been saved by that mountain chill. I've been saved by that holy wind and those wild boars, they my best friends. Down in that hollow, dark and still, down between those endless hills, there lies a place so filled with vibes of ancient love and ancient crimes. Well, I've been saved by that mountain stream, and I've been saved by that bird that sings. I've been saved by that holy tree, man. Take a few puffs, then your mind is free. Yeah, that's the Big Frog. I got one last holy tune, you know.